And what we have, my friends, is a French and fantastic audio Aero Prima CD player, 24-bit, 96 kilohertz DAC. That's the full name of it. Why is it called Audio Aero? Because it was based in Toulouse, right next to the Airbus Factory and airport. And you ask why, or why do you have it at an angle on your bench today? But that's because my balance cables that are going to my electro-accompanied amps is too short, and I wanted to test its balance output. Because the fault in the CD player, a main fault, is that it hums, and it does hum a bit less it hums on a balance than it does on single-ended output, but nonetheless it hums. So I'll need to check if this is a problem, something to do with valves, or maybe there is a grounding problem somewhere, or maybe just one of the caps in power supply just went bad and needs to be replaced. But I'll come back to that later because I got too much work to do at the moment. But now I just wanted to show you this player. There's some videos of mine there about how to fix the remote, and I used that remote because the remote also wasn't working. So it's working now, with the exception of one button, number 7, that has just been eaten by corrosion. Might repaint it later on. But what about this unit? I reckon it is very nice, French and fantastic, as they say. Starts with the power filter, and that's only the top players actually put those power filters there. Normally they use the Swiss make, but this is something else. I don't know what country it is made in. What I really like is the voltage selector. Have a look at that. How neat is that? You just turn it, you know, 100, 120, 220, 230, 240, just with the screwdriver. Very neat. Then we have an encased low noise transformer. So all the noises from, I'm going to turn it down. By accident I found that my remote from Audio Aero also works on my electro-accompanied preamps. You know, it's Philips chipset, but I've never had that before. So then we have a bank of 4 regulators on a huge heatsink, and some Panasonic, mainly Panasonic, couple of Nikon capacitors, all very nice and neat, as you see. And then there is a DAC. DAC is a Burr-Brown, I think 1793 or 1739, I'm not sure, 1739. So that's it there. Not many players use that DAC. So it is a modern player, as you see, with surface mount components, but it's not made in China, it's made in France. And here it uses those Russian tubes, the micro valves that Lampesator raves so much about. So this is the first time I've actually seen them in a player. And why not? Because they sound fine, yet have much lower current consumption, much less heat than anything else. And very neatly done. As you see, there's no cables, there's no afterthought, there's no links, no nothing. So it's properly designed, you know, from beginning to the end. The mechanism is a Philips, I think, VAM 1201, 1202. It's a standard Philips thing, but they have their own twist. You know, the top clamp is just a piece of rigid metal with a puck, and the whole mechanism comes up to it. Reads everything, reads fast, and jumps to tracks. It's a very good reader. I'm very impressed with that player, and I don't know if I'm not going to keep it once I fix it. You know, it depends when my Vaddy finally arrives. I bought a Vaddy in Germany. He's stuck at Frankfurt Airport for 35 days. 35 days. And you can't even ask him how is it doing there, because they want 25 working days. And because we had a Christmas and New Year in between, we have to wait another 2 years to even lodge an inquiry. So that's all, folks. That is in very good condition of the player. The only real thing, once I fix the hum, will be the fact that you will not get number 7 button working on that. But maybe I'll get some paint for that. You've heard a bit of distortion. This is because this was a record that I couldn't get anymore. That was on vinyl, and I ripped 2 records on vinyl and put it on that CD. It's Ron Carter's Pastels and Patral, and just a bit of vinyl distortion there. Well, thank you very much for your time, and we'll talk to you again. Bye bye.